Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Binance demo account step by step. Open Binance, switch to demo or testnet mode, and fund your virtual wallet with test funds so you can practice safely. I'll walk you through market navigation, placing orders, and reading charts in plain terms. Follow along on screen, pause when you need, and try each step in your demo account to build confidence without risking real money. Start by selecting an asset and choosing market or limit orders in the demo account to see execution behavior. Market orders execute instantly at current prices, while limit orders let you set specific entry points. I'll show how to place both and how stop loss works to protect capital during practice trades. Try small position sizes in demo to learn price slippage, order fills, and order history without emotional pressure or real financial risk. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials on trading basics and demo practice tips. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long chart sessions and fits in most cup holders, making practice more comfortable. Check the description for the Owala link and other deals so you can grab one if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Learn chart tools by adding indicators like RSI and moving averages to your demo charts and testing simple setups. Draw support and resistance lines and practice identifying trend direction, then simulate trades around those levels. I'll explain how to backtest one simple strategy across multiple trades in demo to see historical performance. Treat the demo as a learning lab, record outcomes, tweak rules, and build a repeatable routine before trading with real funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.